Like, this is where I edit now. And he want to be all up in my space, but honestly, he don't care about me. He care about the heat. He's like, girl, why you steal my spot? So I was editing, my timer went off, and that means it's time to pick up the kids. That went by fast today. The time went by so fast. And Liam got out so quickly, even with his baritone, because, you know, the baritone's heavy, and it was baritone practice day. It's like twice a week. But yeah, pick them up. We have sweet potatoes that I want to like bake tonight. Make some, oh, you know how I said I was gonna make fish katsu? Girl, I forgot the panko, so it's gonna be more like crispy fish breaded with like flour and seasoning like that, like special spice. I think I'll do that with some rice, some sweet potatoes, and some broccoli. Oh my gosh, this is snack. But y'all, do you see the hair? It's giving Justin Timberlake's hair when he was in NSYNC. Okay, I see you. Frying up the fish now. And let me tell you, I don't waste the eggs that I used to dip. I'm gonna make scrambled eggs with it. Yup, with some special spice. But yeah, this is gonna be yummy, I can tell. Oh, it seems weird, but this is a good dinner. We got some fish, some sweet potato, some onions, leftover eggs from the dipping, some seaweed to go with the rice, cucumbers for that crunch. We're gonna just do it buffet style. Oh no, I forgot the broccoli. We're all done eating and I reheated it because I was cooking the other stuff. Darn. Trying to figure out this weather and how to dress. But I like this jacket. At first, I wasn't sure because I feel like the sleeves are long, but honestly, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go get my lashes filled and go to Home Goods, my second house, because I literally live there. I go there every week to, you know, furnish the house and to find decorations. But this bag, my sister and I matched. I bought her one for Christmas like 2 or 3 years ago. I like it because it's fluffy. This I got from Commence. This girl, let me tell you about this hoodie. Do you remember this line? Mm-hmm. This was so good. Ooh, I got my lip gloss on it. This Burberry scarf, I thrifted on Thredup.
Dang.
I'm gonna give you the invite link because if you're not on Thredup, you need to be on Thredup because you can get a lot of discounts on like thrifted designer. And sometimes it's not designer, it could just be whatever. But I get a lot of Ralph Lauren stuff for the kids, to be honest. And then these I just got on Amazon. I like it because it's wide leg. You see that?
Looking good.
Yeah,
oh, you can squat in them. Oh, you did a heel click too.
And then this is Nordstrom Rack.
Yeah, dang, that's impressive.
Amazon. And then I'm wearing rain boots because it's raining outside. So
very fashionable, honey.
Thank you. I'm trying to figure it out here. Oh, he did it. He said, "Film me."
Well, they can't. The people need to see.
I've
got some Target jeans. I think Levi's. This actually got at Home Goods, right? A Bonobos sweater.
It's real nice. Like, look at the texture.
Yeah, it feels really good. It's nice and light. I got my Too Classic t-shirt.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I've got my. I have no idea.
Boy, bye. We don't need to know. Bye. Love you. Bye. Alrighty, friends. You guys ready to go to our second Home Goods? Oh my gosh. I got a rough like draft of the home decor or from the interior designer for the living room. Girl, it's gorgeous. She like has these yellow pillows and decorative pillows, but the thing is, let me go to Home Goods real quick and see if there's similar, because I don't have to have exactly the thing she says. It's just kind of like an idea, right? Like the artwork she proposes. I'm not doing that. I'm doing the kawaii tree tunnel that I'm gonna buy somewhere online, like maybe Etsy, like a painting of the kawaii tree tunnel, because that's so special to our family. We love that tree tunnel, and I'm so happy my mom got to see it. Like, girl, I've been talking about that tree tunnel. But yeah, let's go to, oh my bad, I was saying Home Goods is also TJ Maxx. You see it flickering? Like, it's really flickering. Oh, I found what I needed. Well, not the yellow pillows, but I found some navy blue ones for Liam's room. The boys got new beds and a new mattress. And then I got this for Gail E, her dog toys. And then what else? I got this book for my niece Sophia, Colors of Awesome, 24 Bold Women Who Inspired the World. Period. And then I got these teas because this makes for great, I'm going to open the box and I'm going to put one in each of those gift baskets that I'm going to do for our neighbors. So cute. Charlie's like, let me enjoy reading time with the kids after school snacks too. I think that's why you are sitting there, Charlie. See, I see you sniffing the food. Dinner, boys. Look how cute my babies are. I just love watching them eat. I don't know why. They just look so cute. So Bob was just drinking his water. All I have to say is I even teach my pets to drink their water and mind their business. And my cats are so non-problematic because they drink their water. Right? Love to see it, Bob, Bob, Bob. Bobaran. So today, Justin's getting a new door. Or, I mean, he kind of sort of already. But do you remember the sliding doors that he had? They were not soundproof at all. So I'm excited about that. And then the cats are going to get a little door for their litter area. Good morning. Look at my bestie. It's because of the heat. Hi, buddy. He's editing. No, like, I think he likes editing. You like editing with me? Yeah. Look at that little paw on me, holding me. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're trying to look like a G now, not trying to be affectionate. What you doing? What? Oh, he said I'm gonna stay in the warm.
This is the very first book, the proof copy. Here we go. Whoa, whoa. I don't know why I'm getting emotional. Dang, it looks so good.
It does.
I can't believe it. This is crazy. God, why am I getting emotional? This was just a lot of...
You spent a lot of time.
A lot of effort. Will you read the dedication in the beginning?
Yes.
Why are you crying?
Because you spent so much time on it. I'm just proud of you and happy for you. To my twerkalicious love of my life.
That was only on the private edition of the book.
Yeah, dang. I'm already crying. All I read was to my wife. To my wife, April, for leading the way. Oh, thank you. Okay, what page? That's all I
Yeah, it's in the back page under the acknowledgements.
I guess. My wife, my soulmate, my best friend for having the guts and vision to start a YouTube channel in 2009. For letting me come along for the ride. I would have never learned any of this stuff were it not for the business you started. For supporting me through all my crazy entrepreneurial ups and downs. For being a nurturing, loving, and patient mom to our boys. Thank you, Sunrise. For always being ready for our next adventure together. I love you always and forever. You even did one for our baby.
Of course.
Are you in the book, baby? To Liam. My life changed the first time I held you in my arms. Watching you grow into a kind, curious, and confident boy makes me so proud to be your dad. Jacob. My life changed again when I held you in my arms. Watching you grow into a funny, clever, and competitive boy makes me so proud to be your dad. Oh, the one for your dad and your mom. You did one for everybody.
Of course. If you've ever been curious about, what it's like to, let me start over. So, one of the reasons I decided to write the book is obviously April and I have done over 500 sponsorships over the years since 2009. And I've done thousands through the influence marketing agency that I ran. So this book is like a complete distillation of everything that I know about sponsorship. So if you are a creator or you're creator curious, you've always thought that, wow, that'd be so interesting to learn about how this all works. Pre-order now. Let's go. Sponsormagnet.com. I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. There's all sorts of graphs and charts and illustrations that I got done for the book, but does this not look sick? Like
It's
the
amazing.
cover that I like ultimately went with, I'm so happy. So yeah, Sponsor Magnet, how to attract, price, and execute your dream brand partnerships.
This is so beautiful. Second snow since moving here. The last time was Halloween, but other than that, we haven't seen snow.
Winter outfit.
Winter boy, love
My
it.
gloves, they're very nice.
I like it. And those snow boots. I'm so happy for Justin. He spent a lot of time writing that book, and I think it's going to help a lot of people, or just entertain people if they just are curious to know what it's like about all things sponsorship. I'm going to put the book for pre-order in the link down below if you want. Buy a book. Buy one for a friend, a family member, someone who's aspiring to get sponsorships and all the things. Thank you for watching, friends. I'll see you next time. And I've been vlogging a lot, like almost every day. I just will lump 2 days in one vlog. But yeah, bye friends. A man got his Indian food to celebrate his book.
Let's just be real here. You know what celebration means to me.